guess where we are? We are in Chinatown in London,
In Leicester Square.
in Leicester Square.
And how do you feel?
Amazing and excited and so happy
And hungry?
and hungry and
Because
sleepy.
we've been everywhere today. We started our day with where? Tower Bridge?
From
And
the
Tower.
Tower Bridge? No, from Tower Hill Station. And then we went to Tower Hill Bridge,
Yeah.
Tower Bridge. Then we went to the Tower of London.
Yeah.
And then
We walked around, we enjoyed the whole view. Right? क्या हुआ?
there's a plane there.
Oh.
And we had so much fun. And guess what?
Then we walked to
we took
Monument.
a bus. We took a bus.
Then we took
We
underground
First, we took a train. We were taking a train to this
from
area.
Monument to
And we
Piccadilly.
realized that we actually took the wrong
We're in
train.
the wrong circus.
We're in
We
the
ended up
wrong
in Oxford Circus.
Yeah.
But then we took a bus to Piccadilly Circus.
Yeah.
It was quite an
And
adventure.
in the start, when we were coming to this area, we took a wrong bus.
Yeah. Okay, so what kind of food do you think we'll have here?
Chinese food.
Nice. Okay. Oh, wow. Nice. Okay, let's walk around.
It's nice that we've got a picture of them.
देखो देखो देखो.
Look at that. Did you see that bike?
Yeah. It's called a rickshaw. That is a rickshaw.
We took one of those in Ethiopia, remember?
Yeah.
You know,
आओ उधर चलते हैं. आओ.
Ali, ó, massagem das ovelhas. Aquela parte.
Velho. मुझे बाहर नहीं बैठना.
excuse me.
So,
I want to sit in a more open area. I don't want it to be shallow.
Hello, you hungry?
Hi.
Take a look at a very nice set we have. Dim sum, vegetarian, crispy duck.
Okay, let me look around. Thank
Oh,
you.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you want to finish it?